The overall structure for the EURUSD price remained bullish, where a minor downside pressure was seen in the previous week. The bullish possibility is intact as long as the dynamic level remains below the price. This technical analysis of EURUSD shows a corrective momentum without a clear range. The weekly price shows a mixed direction but remains steady above the 20-week simple moving average line. Despite the indecisive momentum, the existing market trend is bullish, and a bullish weekly candle above the 1.100 level could resume the existing momentum. This week, the 1.090 psychological would be crucial as a bearish break below this level could extend the range-bound momentum toward the 1.051 level. However, the upcoming sessions will be less volatile, with a lower trading volume on US holidays. On the daily price of EURUSD, bears failed to close the daily candle below the 20-day exponential moving average level. It is a sign of a range extension, with the upper limit at the 1.109 level. The current relative strength index is indecisive at the 50.00 line, which also signals a corrective market momentum. On the bearish side, the immediate recovery with a D1 candle below the 1.083 swing low could increase the selling possibility toward the 1.078 level.